but also related to COVID-19. The presiding member of the Oforokro Municipal Assembly, William Kwadaso, also died of COVID-19. Now, the assemblyman for Ejija Ahimbronum was the elder brother of the medical director of the Kwadaso SAD Hospital, who also apparently died of the illness last week. Mr. Boateng reportedly collapsed and was rushed to a private hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival at about 9 a.m. last Sunday. News of his death hit his family, which had gathered for the one-week rites of his departed doctor brother. Joynews sources at the Ashanti Regional Directorate of the Ghana Health Service is also indicating the state has since taken over the body, initially deposited in a private morgue. Now we have to return to the schools because over 500,000 final year junior high school students are expected to report to school on Monday to prepare for their basic education certificate examination. Now, we all do know this follows the reopening of the universities the other week and some senior high schools also this week. But the fear of a spike of coronavirus infection also remains a concern for parents and the government. But the president, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, is optimistic strategies adopted will also help address potential rise in infections of coronavirus. But look, let's have more on this. And Ohiminteria, we also told you had been following the related issue about the demise of the late doctor of the SDA Hospital at Kwadaso, who passed and apparently also died of COVID-19. At what point in time, Ohiminteria, were you told that his death could be strongly linked to COVID-19?
Thank you, Roland. Even few hours after his death, people started speculating that the late presiding member could have died of COVID-19. In the media, there were a lot of media reportage, though those reports were not attributed to anybody to have confirmed this. But just yesterday, day after his death, then later, some parts of the day, that is when the report came in that indeed he died of COVID-19. Even then, it was difficult for the health professionals to even disclose or confirm this. They say, per the patient charter, they have no right to disclose somebody's private or health status unless or otherwise approved by the family. And the family has also been shattered following the demise of these two great men within the space of 1 week, especially the parents.
But ultimately, it also means that the family is greatly affected. The medical professionals who really are having a certain link of this fatality to coronavirus, have they been able to contact, trace any other family member, etc., related to this?
Yes, the Regional Health Directorate says there are already existing protocols, and these protocols are not peculiar only to this particular case. It is all related to COVID-19. So when anyone died of COVID-19, it is strictly adhered to. So the Regional Health Directorate, with the support of the Oforokro Municipal Health Directorate, have already started working behind the scenes, especially when the report, the confirmation came yesterday that he died of COVID-19. So yes, I would say a lot is being done behind the scene, especially when the body was first sent to a private morgue. When he died or he was declared dead at a private health facility, the body had to be transferred from that health facility to the Kwadaso Teaching Hospital's morgue as part of the strict adherence of COVID-19 protocol. So it's a state, I'm told, would take charge of the burial and any other issues related to the burial.
Now, that's quite tragic. This is going to hit the family very hard, is that not it?
Yes, the family has been hit coming at the back of the 1 week ceremony of the late Dr. Harry Owusu Boateng. I must say the family received the news of the passing of the presiding member, who was also the secretary for the Oforokro MPP constituency, and we are told he even took part in the Saturday MPP primaries. So at the time that they had gathered for the 1-week ceremony, that is where news hit them that the late presiding member had passed away at about 9 a.m. Sunday.
Well, this is strongly linked to the brother's death by way of the infection, right?
It is not clear as to whether his late brother or the medical director infected him or he infected the medical director. What we do know is that the two of them live several kilometers apart. They don't live closer. They are not close to each other. But in the Ashanti region, when we are talking about hotspots for COVID-19, the Oporiko municipality considers Aija, where he lives with the family, as one of the hotspots for COVID-19. So it won't be surprised to hear that probably he got the infection from the community where he lives or any other place. But as of now, no search or no research has confirmed that, no investigation has confirmed that he got the virus from his late brother or he infected his late brother. For now, it is too early to be talking about this, Roland.
Tera, thank you for this great update. And we'll keep following this because greatly we would want to see how the family is doing as well as Joynews. But as Tera and Love News are all following this issue.